Welcome to Pandan Valley, originally designed as landed living in an apartment through the smart use of split levels.
Hi, my name is Kenneth Goh from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today, I'll be showing a huge 2,669 square foot home split into 3 levels. This level, the lower level, and the upper level.
The entrance level contains the foyer, dining area and kitchen. The large open concept kitchen and dining area is definitely designed to support larger families.
This large living area is perfect for family bonding time as well as for hosting guests.
It's perfectly complemented by a cozy balcony to relax your eyes and reflect on your day.
This is the master bedroom tucked into a corner of the lower level. You'll definitely fall in love with the space and the walk-in wardrobe, which are so rare in Singapore.
The 3 other bedrooms and study area are on the upper level, away from the living area, just like in a landed property. All the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms. You can even fit king-size beds into each of them. Wow! Space is abundant within the grounds too. The condo sits on 865,000 square feet of natural terrain for you to stroll in, or pop into the various shops, including a cafe, a supermarket, or bring your pet to the vet. There are many enrichment centers too. Pandan Valley is close to many good schools such as Henry Park Primary School, Methodist Girls' School, Fairfield Methodist School, Nanhua Primary School, and Peitong Primary School. We hope you've enjoyed the home tour. It's been a pleasure having you. To view the actual unit, please contact me, Kenneth Goh, at 9692-5460. See you soon.